Lip plate is trending right now on TikTok, and obviously I need to do a video on this. So I actually call it a lip stretcher, because it's just like an ear stretcher but for your lip. How it works, so you get it pierced, and then it's normally pierced at a 1.2 or 1.6, then you go up to a 2mm, and you can go bigger with normal labret jewellery until you get to a certain size, and then the jewellery changes to a T-plate jewellery. So this is me without it in. Everyone says that my speech changes when I take the jewellery out compared to when I have the jewellery in. I don't really see much of a change, and I'm not too bothered that there's a change, but people tend to tell me over and over again that my voice has changed. Like I care. This is the jewellery when it's not in my face. As you can see, it's got like a T-back shape to it. I asked them for all the different measurements. So this curvature I can change how deep it is. Then I can change how deep the wings are. Then I can change how deep this bit is. So yeah, it takes a while, but it all gets custom made. I did have a blue cat's eye one and I smashed it. So what I do is I brush my teeth and I leave this out and I clean this with antibacterial soap and I polish it on a morning because it's got a brass front to it. And the rest of it is PTFE, I believe. Everyone always asks me how I eat and how I kiss, just the same as everybody else. I actually forget it's actually there. Except from the wings on this are quite small, so my next one I'm going to get larger wings so it doesn't fall out when I laugh too hard or eat a burger. People always get freaked out when they see my tongue through it, like my teeth. Or even the fact of talking through it. Hello, this is me talking through my lip stretcher. It looks like I have a tiny mouth. Haha! Sometimes as a fun party trick, I will stick a straw through it and drink through it. Right guys, so that is just how I put it back in. It's quite easy, quite simple, and I forget it's even there.